If you've seen any of my other videos, that was English that just came out of my mouth, then you wouldn't believe it, would you? If you've ever seen any of my other videos, you may have noticed this knackered jaw, and it's been broken for a fair while now. And yeah, you know, when things just break, you just work around them, don't you? Life is a workaround. But it's about time it got fixed, and the reason why it broke is just so bloody heavy. Look at it all. All piled up stuff, and all of it does get used. That's why it's there. But it got a bit heavy for it. So I've decided it needs a bit of a revamp and a bit of an improvement. Now before it was just riding on a couple of metal like slider things. They're okay for basic jaws, but not tons of stuff. So I'm going to try and do something, some bearings. I've got about 20 of these, I think, something like that. And for it to just roll along the surface instead of scratching along the surface, creating friction and all that sort of stuff, it might work out better, and then might have a longer life in the long run. But it also might work out of nonsense. Hey ho, give it a go. I've decided that these bearings are just too fancy for this scabby workshop. I'm just going to go with the old wood rubbing on wood sort of thing. It does me fine. That works a treat. I don't think it needed those casters at all. Casters, what I'm talking about, bearings, you know what I'm saying. Doesn't need them at all. I mean, how smooth is that? Now, it might be a little bit different when I've dumped all that junk back in it. But hey ho, like I say, for this scabby workshop, works a treat. No, still works good.